Here we see our PowerPoint, and we can see that our slides are here, but to get an overview we're going to zoom out a bit. Now we can still see hopefully that this says ancient Mesopotamia and this says ancient Egypt, but there's no real distinction between them. We're not using sections yet, so let's do that. Just here we can right click, and in the menu we can have add section. We're asked for the name, and we might type in Mesopotamia, and then here we might right click again, but we don't get the right menu. So what we see here is the menu to operate on the section we're already in. You can see everything's selected. So how do we stop everything being selected? Just click off it somewhere. So now nothing is selected. So now we can go to this slide. We're only on this slide now. And then we right click and we get the right or correct menu again to add section. And this time we'll call that section Egypt. And we might do the same again. Remember, if we right click while everything's still selected, then we have that problem again of it being the wrong menu. So here it's dealing with the whole section. So if I do something here like rename section, it's going to change the name from Egypt. So if I rename section, and I think I'm on this Indus Valley slide, then unfortunately what I've done is rename this section up here, which was the Egypt one. So let's fix that. And to fix that problem, we're just going to go to this single slide on its own, but if we right click on it, we still have the same old menu. We need definitely to click off it. And now we can go to it and right click on it, and we can say add section. So that's Indus Valley section. So that's it. We might put another section to say end or conclusion. And similarly, the default section at the start we might rename if we want. Oops, I haven't selected that section yet. Let's try and select that section. So I've closed it up. Rename section, introduction. Fine. So now we have a number of sections, but how many? Let's close that up and have a look. Mesopotamia, Egypt, Indus Valley section, and conclusion. So now we have a number of sections, and we can work on these independently by making separate videos of those. So let's do that in the next video.